less.
Oh, that's true.
Yep.
And this is the new GFCI here, and that was the only other thing.
It's on the GSI.
Does the lights come on in here?
Pardon me?
The lights, I know the, okay, last time it
That
wasn't
was
coming on.
because of the GFCI was out. And here, the main thing for the GFCI is in the other bathroom. So if for some reason the lights don't come on in here, go push the button in the middle bathroom.
Gotcha.
I don't know why it's wired like that, but it is.
Okay, that bathroom. Okay, cool.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
And then, yeah,
Pause
did
it
you,
one more time. I
yeah.
forgot. I just
Sure.
want to see how we sharing. I think I should have the closet.
Of course.
I don't know.
Of course.
Now, which one was the bigger one between this one and it was another one?
This is the bigger one.
Okay, because I told my daughter, I said, you need a bigger one, the other one that has all the clothes. You know, the other one likes shoes. This one likes clothes.
Uh-huh.
The other one has like, oh my goodness.
Yeah.
This looks like it's still warm in here too.
Oh, the upstairs was always plenty
her
warm.
other room is cold. And I said, no, you don't need a cold room. Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Linen closet, and then there's
And
a,
this is okay, yeah, I can tell now.
I still need, this is gonna be swept out,
Okay,
but this has a little
nice.
closet system which gives you more hanging space.
I made call. Yeah.
And all that
Share
stuff
this.
is staying.
Okay.
So the curtains in that room, the black and white room, are going with, because I had them made to go
Yeah.
with the bed.
Yeah.
Those toppers you were
and-
talking about.
yeah.
Yeah.
And the ones in my bedroom, just the toppers, not the blinds or anything like that. But just
Okay.
they're going because they match my
Fine.
bed thing, and
That's good.
I'm out of money to make replace.
Hey, look, let me look at the closet, see if I can put some more clothes.
This would be your office, right?
Yeah. But I'm trying to put on, still try to hang up some of my suits or something maybe. Because I got different wardrobe suits for work, then I have regular clothes, and I have church suits, and then I have church ministry gear.
Oh
So I
my
need-
goodness.
That's why I was
Yeah,
like,
you got it going on.
yeah.
Yeah.
So you know what? Now what about in that cellar? What did he say that we shouldn't put back there? He said no cannon. Could you like store like? Can I stack like a bunch of like the shoe racks and stuff back there?
Yeah, but it's just basement. It might draw damp, so you
Oh,
gotta.
okay.
Yeah, it's damper in that area because it's closer to the outside.
Okay.
And it
so-
has no air circulation.
What about fish tank? No, probably not.
With the fish in it? Are the
Yeah.
fish in it? I
No,
wouldn't
okay.
do that.
I gotta figure out how to get them here though. That's the thing. How we gonna get them from? Because they're in the tank and they grew and grew and grew.
I seen that.
Yeah, so I don't know what we gonna do. We're somewhere. Well, you could just put them in the bucket. I said you can't
Hey,
do that.
I
They're
have a
tropical.
really good guy. I am going to write you a whole big note. I've been taking
Okay.
notes on what does what goes where.
Okay.
And I have a guy that does hauling,
Okay.
and he's wonderful.
Okay,
The
good.
realtor gave him to me. He came with 4 guys, and I want to tell you they were so efficient, so